Hello, my name is Dr. Spectro Chem. I am here to interpret your infrared spectrum by sword, beard and tongue method. IR spectroscopy is used to identify the functional group of a compound. IR spectra consist of wave number at x-axis and percent transmittance at y-axis. Draw 4 lines on IR spectrum at 3000 cm inverse, 1700 cm inverse, 2200 cm inverse and 1400 cm inverse. 1400 cm inverse is fingerprinting region. 1700 cm inverse is sword region for sword-like sharp peaks. 2200 cm inverse is triple bond region for alkener and nitriles. 3000 cm inverse is region for beard, tongue and border for alkenes. We will discuss in details in next slides. Identify 3 peaks. Sword-like peak near 1700 cm inverse represents carbonyl group. Hairy beard-like very broad peak near 3000 cm inverse represents carboxylic acid group. And tongue-shaped like peak near 3200 to 3400 cm inverse represents hydroxyl group. These shapes are unique and any person can identify these peaks at a glance. After identification of sword-like peak around 1700 cm inverse for carbonyl group, type of carbonyl group is identified. It may be acid group which can be identified by beard-like very broad peak around 3000 cm inverse. Carbonyl group may be amide and can be identified easily by double peak with 2 equivalent halves around 3400 cm inverse. Carbonyl group may be ester carbonyl group which can be easily identified by presence of 2 additional strong peak near 1000 cm inverse and 1300 cm inverse. In spectrum 2 additional peak at 1100 cm inverse and 1276 cm inverse confirms the presence of ester carbonyl group. Anhydrides can be identified by double sword-like peaks near 1760 cm inverse and 1810 cm inverse. Aldehydes can be confirmed by 2 additional weak absorptions near 2850 cm inverse and 2750 cm inverse adjacent to aliphatic group peaks. A line at 3000 cm inverse is a borderline for the alkene and alkanes. Peak slightly above this borderline 3000 cm inverse indicates the presence of sp2 hybridized carbons alkenes. In the first IR spectra of hexane there is no peak above 3000 cm inverse indicates the presence of alkanes only. In the second IR spectra of 1-hexene there is a peak above and below 3000 cm inverse indicates presence of alkenes and alkanes. In the third IR spectra of benzene, there is a peak above 3000 cm inverse indicates the presence of sp2 hybridized carbons. Weak absorption near 2200 cm inverse indicate the presence of triple bonds like nitriles and alkena group. Tongue-like broad peak near 3200 cm inverse indicate presence of hydroxyl group. A big thank you for watching my video. I hope you like our video and understand how to interpret IR spectra. Please subscribe to our channel by pressing the button below. Wait for next video series how to interpret NMR.